Welcome to another tutorial of myapp.property. The bond repayment calculator is important to know because you need to know how much your monthly commitment to the bank is going to be and to make sure that the rent can afford that amount of debt. So we've got a couple of inputs here on the left-hand side. Once you click calculate, it'll tell you what your monthly repayment amount is, but also it'll tell you what your total buying costs are, which includes your deposit, your transfer fees, and your transfer duties. So let's say you're looking at a property that is valued at 500,000 Rand. You're going to put 10% down, which is 50,000. And because we're using prime at the time of recording this video in a high interest rate environment, we use 11.75 over 20 years calculate. You can see that your monthly commitment and payment to the bank for a 500,000 Rand debt facility minus the 50,000 deposit would be 4,876 Rand. That would be the money that would be paid every single month to the bank. And above that, the money you would have to put in the deal, not the money that is paid for by the bank, i.e. the 450 debt, would be the deposit of 50,000, plus you would have some transfer costs, and it would total at roughly 73,000. Now, please don't use that 73,000 as truth because each attorney will have a different fee structure. So that number can't always be accurate, but it will give you a good estimate. And the total gross monthly income required to be able to afford this amount of debt of 500,000 would be a minimum of 16,000 or more. I hope this tutorial helped you, but if you still have questions or concerns, please contact us via the chat and email functionality in the menu bar.